Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize this website on Squarespace for food and beverages business, easy and quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own website without needing to know much about coding. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, here you can get started from here, or if you want to create your website you can see templates. So here you can choose you can change the type, and you can choose the topic of your business. So for example, let's go with food here, and the type you can here change the online store. You can make memberships. You can also choose the courses or the services. So that's it. You can choose one of these templates here, or if you wanna build your own template. So let's get started from here. Now let's go from here. Now wait a few seconds. So here you can add your site name, type any name you want, and here you can add your let's continue. Here you can build your home page. So you can here change you can choose your intro section. Also you can choose here your product section and the services section. You can choose the about section and also the social section. You can change the forms section, and also here you can change the footer section. So that's it. Now let's continue. Next you can add page here, and here you can choose the color theme. So I'm gonna go with this. Let's continue. You can choose the font pairing, and let's finish. So wait a few seconds or a few minutes. So here you can skip if you want or continue. So let's continue. Let's skip this. So this is your homepage website. First here you can change the view. You can make it like a desktop view like this, or like a mobile view, so like this. Here the site size, you can edit the site size. Here you can change the fonts, you can edit it. So here you can you can switch the fonts back. You can edit the base size. Here you can change the headings and the paragraphs and the buttons, whatever you want to change. For example, the buttons, you can change the family, the weight, the style, the letter spacing, the text transform, and the size, the secondary button like this, the text transform, the size, the tertiary button. So that's it. Now let's get back, and you can edit the font back. So that's it. Now let's move on to the colors. So also the colors here, you can customize your themes here. So let's go with the theme. So here you can edit the color theme of the site title or the navigation links. So you can click here and select any color you want. You can custom the site wide. Here you can edit the color theme of the section background and the background overlay, the inset border and the section divider stroke. The text also, here you can edit the heading, extra large or medium or small, or you can edit also the paragraph. You can edit the background. So that's it. Now let's move on to the animations. So here you can edit the styles. You can can set done or fade or scale or slide. So you can make it slide like this, you can make it clip, you can make flex. Here you can edit the speed of it, you can make it slow or medium or fast. So that's it. So let's move on to the button. So here you can edit the buttons. Like I said, you can edit the text, the shape and the outline here. You can change the outline. So that's it. Here you can apply to all button type, or if you want to reset button styles. So that's it. Let's move on to the image blocks. Here you can search for something you want. You can edit here the text alignments. Also you can change the content width, the title separation, the button separation, and the image block. Here you can edit the card, the content position, the text alignments and the image width, the image separation, the title separation, the button separation, and that's it. Now let's get back and let's continue. So if you wanna edit the site header, you can edit it from here. You can click here and you can here edit the site title and the logo. You can add your logo here for your business, for food and beverages logo. Here you can edit the site title if you don't like it, and also you can add the mobile logo image. So that's it. You can edit the elements. You can turn this on, the button. Here you can change the text on the label button. Also here you can turn this on, the social links. You can edit the social links. Here you can edit the social icon size. You can change this, the border. Also you can switch the language. You can turn this on, the cart. Here you can change the style icon. So I'm gonna make it just like this. You can show zero in cart. So that's it. Here you can turn this on, fix its position. So that's it. If you want to add a section, just click here and you can select what kind of section you want to add on your home page. For example, I'm gonna add the services section. So select any one of these, or if you want to add the events section, so I'm gonna add the events instead of the services section. So for example, let's go with this. So now let's move it down, not here. So if you want to add a text on any section, just click here and you can type on the text whatever you want, and also you can edit the text or the form of it. If you want to add the image, just click here and click here. You can select from your library or from free image. So for example, let's search on food and beverages here. So for example, let's choose this. You can choose whatever you want. This is just for example. You can duplicate the image from here. You can delete the image if you want. Also you can drag it and put it at any place you want. So this is the image. You can put it at any section you want. This is just for example. So here you can edit the text, and also you can edit the image here. If you want to delete it, you can delete it from here, for example like this, and click here, for example image, click here. So wait a few seconds. So food and so for example this. So you can drag it and put it at any place you want. For example, I'm gonna put it here. So you can make it larger or smaller, whatever you want. Here you can change the text on the button. Or if you want to duplicate the button, you can just click here and click here duplicate, and it will be deleted. It will be duplicated. You can change the color of the label. You can also change the text. Just click here, and you can here change the text. You can add the link. So that's it. After you're done from designing all your websites, you can just save this and publish it and start selling. So that's it for today. That's how to customize your site for food and beverages on Squarespace. Website isn't quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.